Giving a present. It's a Bing thing.
Oh, I like surprises.
Me too. Pajamas.
Here's one for you.
Thank you for that. Oh, what is it?
Well, let's open it and find out.
Oh, it's a surprise. Puzzle? Oh, I know that game. It's me! It's me! Let's play again! That one. That one. See? Your go, Charlie. Oh, what's that? Story! Ginger bunnies, yum yum! My favourite's this story. Oh, what is it?
Well, let's open it and find out.
Oh, can we have stickers? Yeah!
Now, who'd like a sticker?
Oh, me! May I have a rocket, please?
You may. Bing, what would you like to choose?
Oh, choose a rocket. No, I'm going to choose something different. Pants! Bing! Look! Ah, pants!
Giving a present. It's a Bing thing.
My favourite's this story. Story!
Round the corner, not far away, Hoppity's ready for bed today.
This story's about Hoppity.
That's right, Bing. About Hoppity and you,
And Blanky.
indeed.
Oh, what is it?
Well, let's open it and find out.
Pajamas.
This one's for you, Bing.
For me? Is it from Sula? It is from Sula.
Oh,
Thank you, Sula. Oh, it's for me! My present. What is it? A book? Yup. Ooh, I love it! This is my best present. Thank you, Bing.
Oh, good for you, Bing Bunny. You are a mega giver.